Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Res. I am a data scientist here in Germany, and in today's video, I am going to talk to you about the data science job demands that are posted in LinkedIn as of the time of scraping from February 27 to March 9. So the reason why I'm doing this analysis is because I'm also curious myself, what is the status of the job demands here in Germany? Is it going down? Is it still strong? Is it still growing despite all of the tech layoffs? Is it still worth it for this year? Which cities hire the most data scientists, and so on. And hopefully, this analysis will also help you to understand the current status of the job demands as of the time of the scraping, which is Feb 27 to March 9, 2023. So, because of this curiosity, I scraped jobs from LinkedIn, as I've said earlier, starting from Feb 27 to March 9, and I got a total of 472 unique jobs. And from these 472 unique jobs, I scrape information such as the job title, the locations of the jobs, the number of applicants, the descriptions of the jobs, the seniority, and other informations are being recorded. And in the next series of these videos, I am going to talk to you the insights that I got from this analysis. And this methodology is not a representative of the entire data science job market. That's a disclaimer. So I only got this from LinkedIn from the time period that I talked to you earlier. So there are 5 insights that I wanted to show you in this video, and these are the following. One is what kind of industries that are hiring. Second is what kind of activities that are hiring. Third is what city has the most data science job demand here in Germany, and what are they looking for when it comes to seniority. Do they prefer the entry level, the mid level, or the senior? And lastly, what is the distribution of the contract types that they're looking for? So do they want full-time, part-time, or working student, etc.? So now I'm going to show you the notebook that I use for my quick data analysis. So on the left side, here are the comments that is on sequence, and these are the insights that I wanted to show. And these are the insights that I wanted to show you in this video. So specifically the number of unique jobs, the number of jobs released based on dates, what kind of industries are hiring, what kind of activities that are hiring, how many jobs per location, what are they looking for when it comes to seniority, what are the contract type, and as a bonus, I'm also going to give you a descriptive statistics of the applicants that applied to these jobs, or the number of applicants that applied to these jobs. So I've mentioned this earlier, I've got 472 unique jobs. And from these 472 unique jobs, I got all the information that I'm gonna mention in the next series of these videos. And then I also have this number of jobs released based on dates. And you may be wondering, Teresa, if you just scrape the data from Feb 27 to March 9, why do you have the date from 2021 there? So I'm going to explain that to you. So the way LinkedIn works is that it pushes the jobs or the most recent jobs on top, right? And when I try to scrape, say on a particular day like March 1, it just doesn't scrape for March 1. It scrapes for all the dates way back on that. So I use a Selenium, and how it works is that it kind of actually click the show more. So the more you click the show more button from LinkedIn, you will see all the jobs that are posted 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, or years ago. So what I understood is that if you post a job on LinkedIn and you got all the applicants, you found your applicant, it just stays there for 2 weeks or so, like 1 week or 2 weeks, depends, I guess, on their agreement. And maybe these jobs that are released on 2021, May 6th, perhaps they forgot to remove this. So that's why my scraper found it. So yeah, we will not focus on that. We will focus on the most recent recent postings, or recent job posted, that is around, say, 2023 Feb 9 to March 2. So as you can see, perhaps, so I did not show this in my analysis, but perhaps maybe there's around 15 on average per day, and then maximum job posted was 25 or 20. No, my eyes is really bad, so maybe around 27. And on this time period, minimum is around 3. So that is that. So what kind of industries are hiring? So if we look at the top 5 industries that are hiring, these are the IT services and IT consulting, next to technology, information and internet, and personal consulting and placement, advertising services, software development. So guys, I did not make this up. So I think if the companies are posting their jobs online, they have these fields that they have to fill. So what kind of industry they are. And so I just scraped that information. So these are the top 5. And if we go to top 10, for example, then we have these financial services, business consulting and business services, telecommunications, automobile manufacturing, renewable energies, and semiconductor production. And we go to the top 20. Then you will see what else? Banking, manufacture of industrial machinery, retail, trade, research, chemical production. And it's almost similar to the IT service and IT consulting, right? So I think this can still be cleaned, but your girl doesn't have time for that. So we'll stick to whatever is being shown here. But for sure, this can, we can still have an umbrella term for all of these terms and kind of have a cleaner version. But as of now, we will stick to the raw entries of these companies. And so these are the top 20 and top 30. Let's see. Yeah, so I think most of the top 30 or the bottom is now going to, this is just like an eyeball analysis, but more on the pharmaceutical, I would say, healthcare. But you can look at this in detail and let me know in the comment if I was wrong or not. So the next one is what kind of field of activities that are hiring. So these are what they field. So engineering and IT analyst, business consulting, engineering. Let's go top 15. So miscellaneous is like others. So other field is also science, IT and project management and administration, analyst, science and others, marketing and analyst, research analyst, IT, etc. So these are the fields that are hiring. So now for the top cities, here are the top 10 cities that are really having the highest demands of data science jobs. So the number 1 is Berlin, and then you have Munich, you have Frankfurt, Hamburg. Deutschland is really a country, so this is a German word of Germany. Cologne, Stuttgart, Düsseldorf, Darmstadt, and Mainz. So these are the top 10 cities that are requiring data scientists here in Germany. So the next one is about seniority. So most of these jobs are looking for career entry level, which is good. And then you have and second is management. And then you have the professional experience and full-time and not specified. So I really cannot tell you more what's really the definition of, for example, professional experience, but I am assuming that they're already looking for, data scientists that have professional experience. And then Next is the contract type. So you have, they're really looking for full-time and very little portion that are looking for temporary work, practice, and part-time. So now, how many applicants are there? So this is the description of that. So minimum number of applicant is 25, maximum. So for the number of applicants, this is a bit tricky because if you scrape this job one day after they posted the job, so pretty sure that the number of applicants is lesser compared to when the job has been on the job site for a bit longer period of time. So it's a bit hard to quantify how many number of applicants are there because it really depends on when I scrape the job. So what I will do in the next video is that I am going to look at the increments. So how many job applicants are there when they posted the job one day before, or how many job applicants are there when the job has been staying there for 3 days and so on. So hopefully I'm going to show that information to you. But right now, I cannot tell you more about the number of applicants without further doing data analysis, because right now the number is a bit misleading. So yeah, that's it for my video. I hope you like it. I hope you had gained some insights about the jobs that are being posted in LinkedIn. Let me know if you have further questions or if you have some insights that you want me to analyze. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.